Connect the battery. Connect the LED driver output to the UEM. Connect the LED driver input to the UEM. Connect two 3-core cable with switched and unswitched supply to the UEM. Or connect one 4-core cable with unswitched live to the UEM. Connect the luminaire to the UEM. Connect the indicator and stick to the panel edge.